top of the first inning. First pitch to Ko, and it's a slider in for a called strike here in this opening inning. 0-1, that slider in the dirt. Nice stop from Rogers. Ball kicked a few feet to his right. Set to the letters, and his pitch is up and in. Fastball there at 90. Grayson College. 2-1, and that's down low with a curve by the Giants. 3-1, and a swing and a miss. Good looking slider there. And the 3-2 is low and in. He did go to the breaking ball, but that was down around the back foot of Ko. And so it's a walk that keeps this inning going here for the Tower Buzzers. The batter will now be Anson Arrows, being held on at first. The 1-1, Bravo swings, it's a little bloop, shallow right center, it's falling, it'll drop, a base hit. Scoring Popple, level on his way to third, the throw is late, now a throw back to second, and out there is Bravo. The inning is over, and Bravo looks hurt. He's kind of hobbling around second base, got just a little too aggressive there. While the game is tied, and Level easily went first to third with the throw coming to third, Bravo decided to try for second. And not only was he out by about 20 feet, he is injured. We'll see if he's able to stay in this ball game. Giants trainer Kenta Miyazaki is out, as is the manager Edwin Villegas. Giants do get two, will head to the fourth. Game's now tied 2-2 over the last week plus. Ko's going to lead off in the fourth here for the Tower Buzzers. Now the 0-1, and strike two called, a fastball. Half inning. 0-2, and that's low and away for a ball. 50. 1-2 pitch is strike three called, a slide. The payoff pitch, Jenkins swings, and a ground ball base hit into right field, right between first and second. Got a slider there on the 3-2, and that time he was able to do something with it. And throughout minor league baseball, season split into two halves as Level swings and grounds a base hit into right field, right between first and second. Finds the hole with that 9 in his 22 total innings. As Ko fouls it straight back. The belt, and the 0-1. And it's fouled to the left. A late swing. Experience can go through a lineup more than once if needed. 0-2 is outside. Navigate your way through a game. 1-2 pitch, and it's fouled. Ko fouling it off his foot. Now the 1-2. Ko a swing and a high fly ball left field towards the corner. Popple over. He'll get there, and right on the edge of the warning track, Popple makes the catch just before. About halfway up the middle, and the first pitch nearly hits Ko. Another curve that isn't any. Here's the 1-0, and it's a curve inside. He's trying. Set. Here's his pitch. A check swing, but a called strike. The 2-1 pitch, and it's ball 3. That was close. Here's the pitch, and it's fouled out of play. Just read. That's at the belt. The 3-2 is swung on and missed. He struck him out. Another challenge fastball. Ko is retired, and that is out number 2 here in the 8th inning. Big out, not out of it yet. With 2 down, the infield now moves all the way back for the Giants. 2-2 pitch. Polanco hits a high fly ball to right. Back to his left, Ko now drifts to his right a few steps. The wind pushing it. He'll make the catch. So 2 down quickly here in the bottom of the 8th. Stormer been scoring a lot of runs last few games as Ko takes a strike. When the Stormer here. 0-1 check swing, but a called strike. 2 on, 2 out. A run in here in the 9th. And the pitch is swung on and missed. Nothing fancy there from McGrath. 3 high fastballs.